Hey guys, so today I will be doing a Batiste Dry Shampoo review and I'm going to be trying out the product. I'm so excited! Let's check it out! Ooh-hoo! Ching ching ching! Dry Shampoo! So the different variants are Clean and Classic Original, Light and Breezy Fresh, Fruity and Cheeky Cherry, Floral and Pretty Blush. With a hint of color, Divine Dark, Dramatic Diamond Strength and Shine, Double XXL Volume Spray. It's for all hair types, whether you have a weave, whether you have an afro like me, whether you have wigs, whatever. It just works for all hair types, which is amazing. Now guys, so before this I had braids. So I obviously had to take them out because holidays are over and it's time to work. But I've decided to give my afro a little break, so I'll be styling my afro. Yes! I'm specifically going to use the Divine Dark Dry Shampoo Plus because I've got 4C hair and my hair is darker and this just works better for my hair type. And I will probably add the XXL Volume Spray. I mean, who doesn't want more volume? Being a working mom and all, it can be really tough to find time to actually go to the salon and wash your hair. So I think this is actually really convenient. Or even after like a hectic workout, you just want to get home, wash your hair. Girl, sometimes you don't need to get into the shower. You can just spray, massage, voila. Now it's time for me to try this out. I cannot wait to see the results. Step 1, shake well before use. Section your hair. Keep the nozzle 30 centimeters, which is 12 inches, away from your head. Then spray into roots, working all over your head for maximum effect. Massage through with your fingertips to ensure that roots are fully covered and the color blends. Gently brush through hair from roots to ends to remove excess residue and style as desired. So guys, I've just finished with the dry shampoo process and now before I style it, I'm going to put a bit of moisture and then I'll decide what hairstyle I do. I still don't know what I'm going to do, but let's see. Using Batiste in between wet washing, it can help prevent colored hair fading. It's a great way to extend the time between home coloring or your next salon visit. Guys, how convenient is that? So guys, I love that the Batiste Dry Shampoo Plus was easy to use. It's super convenient. And guys, did I mention I didn't need a towel? Anyway, guys, let me go rock my day.